Hello friends, today we are going to draw a Christmas cat.
Christmas cat, a very easy for kids drawings. This is gonna be super fun and super easy drawing of the Christmas cat, a cat decorated and ready for celebrating Christmas. So let's get started with the drawing. I hope all of us will have fun and we'll get to learn something new today. We are getting cropped.
I just want to use this one today.
Okay, so let's start with the face of the cat.
A round
Face. Okay, how is the shape of the nose? Like this. Very easy. The eyes are round and their stripes like a tiger has, and the ears.
The tiger is from the cat family.
Yes.
And the panthers also.
Okay, have you done till here? And the okay. The body, the sitting cat. So this is gonna be a very easy drawing. Right, Parikshet?
Yes.
One leg, two leg, three leg, and the fourth one.
One leg.
Okay,
Second leg.
and the tail. That's all. Now quickly make the scarf.
What? Scarf? A cat wearing a scarf?
And the Christmas cap.
Oh, yeah. Of course. Why would somebody call if the cat a Christmas cat? Because if it's not wearing a Christmas hat.
Obviously. Now that we are
Christmas
done.
tree. Oh, Christmas tree. Christmas. Oh,
Okay. Now let's quickly color it with orange color.
look, Papa.
Good.
A present box. And it's not wrapped.
Okay.
Because otherwise I'm not able to breathe. This is something related to Christmas. Are you sure you don't want this one?
Yes, I'm pretty sure.
You want this type of?
No, I don't want.
Why? You don't like this type?
Not that.
Then?
I just don't want.
This looks super cool on a cat. This color is specially for dogs.
Okay.
You'll rarely find this orange type color of cat.
Okay.
Are you getting tired?
No.
Then?
Just coloring it.
I'm getting tired, right?
I'm getting tired too.
I'm not getting. What happened?
Nothing.
Why did you say? What did you say like that?
Are you done, Parikshet? I'm done. With this easy, very easy drawing of a Christmas cat. Let's make some things. like a star, some balls, and some gift boxes. So if you think that we are running fast, pause the drawing, keep it slow, make sure that you are doing it nice, and no worries if it is not coming as good as ours, because the most important thing is to learn and to practice and have fun at the same time.
Look, somebody is carrying it, but his hand is only showing because I don't want to pick that much and delay a lot of time.
So we are done with this amazing drawing of the cat. Parents, if you want to share your kids' drawings with us on Instagram, do not forget to tag us at @Kids Fun Learn Club and #Kids Fun Learn Club. You can win some exciting goodies from Parikshet. Okay, until then, have a very good day. Bye bye.